Hello guys, welcome back to RoyalT Empire Education. And for those who don't know me, my name is Tyrone. We are in a series of option trading. In our last video, we talked about what is a long call and how it works. If you have not seen that yet, you can go check it out in our YouTube channel and it will be listed there for you. The long call option contract is used when the market is bullish. Today we will be covering the opposite of long call, which is the long put. We will talk about what is a long put and how it works. This option contract is the opposite of a long call. While the long call is beneficial during an uptrend, a long put can be benefited during a downtrend. This means you have to look for a bearish pattern in order to buy a put. You can see the three key factors in this contract. Those three factors are the premium, strike price, and expiration. What you need to find is a lower strike price in order for you to gain a profit. In this contract, you have a limited loss but an unlimited gain. This means the premium that you pay for this contract will be your maximum loss, but as long as the market goes down, your gain will be unlimited. Now that you know what is a long put, I will talk about how it works. We will give you an example. Let's say that company D has a stock that is being traded for $100 per share. Based on your studies of patterns and looking at news, you project that the price will go down. So you buy a long put option contract that has a $95 strike price for $3, and this contract expires in 1 month. That $3 will be multiplied by 100, which would be $300 for one contract. Now that we have with a contract, you can just wait and see what happens. If the market goes up and does not go below $92, which is your break-even point, then you would lose your maximum amount of money, which is $300. To find the break-even point, all you have to do is to subtract the strike price by the premium price you paid for. So in this case, your strike price is $95 and the premium was $3. All you have to do is subtract it and you would get $92, which is the point where you have neither gained nor lost any money. If the price does go below $92, then you would start earning profits. Let's say the price has gone all the way down to $90 per share. Then you would want to exercise your option. You would buy 100 shares for $90, which is $9,000. But you can resell it for $95, which is $9,500. Your total profit from this is when you subtract $9,500 and $9,000 that you spent, you would get $500. Another way that you can make money is by selling back the contract. When the prices fall in the market, the option premium price for that contract will go up. This happens because it is in the money option, meaning that they have a higher chance of making a profit. The way of selling the contract back is beneficial if the price went down drastically, because it has the intrinsic value, making the premium more expensive. I will cover what in the money, at the money, and out of the money is, what is intrinsic and extrinsic value in option trading. So stay tuned and hit that notification button so you don't have to miss out on any of those videos that I will be covering. Knowing how to trade in a long put option is very beneficial because you can make money in a downtrend market. The only loss you will have is that money that you paid for, which you should be ready to lose already before buying the option contract. Today we learned about what is long put contract and how it works. Make sure you use the patterns that I have given you in my previous videos to speculate a bearish market. Also, use the psychological aspect in order to decide whether it is the right time to buy or not. Just a reminder, it is better to sit and watch while your money does not move than watch it go down because you have forced a position by making yourself believe in something that is not there. Now that we know what the long call and long put is, we will be covering the short call and short put. Subscribe and like if you want to learn more about stocks and investing. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will gladly answer them for you.